right, so we are now on the second floor. It's definitely not as grand or doesn't have as many of those architectural features, but it still has a lot of potential, and I think we can really, again, have another blank canvas to do some amazing things. I think one of the owners opened up these two to sort of make this a little bit more a larger room. I mean, maybe to be one big bedroom. Some of the bathrooms need a little bit of work. We got some of the pink tile. I think there's bathrooms from every era in this house. I think it'd be really fun to do really cool things with tile, with, again, that kind of Spanish-Moroccan theme. Just really have little areas where it packs a big punch and, you know, showcases the whole vibe of this house. I mean, that's an original mirror right there. So again, at one time, these bathrooms probably did have the same vibe as the rest of the house, and I really want to make sure, you know, every detail is, you know, true to the original, but with modern amenities. So this is a pretty cool part of the house. There's a dumbwaiter. I thought it was an elevator at first, but there's actually, you know, where they used to put clothing, food, things like that to lift to the other floors. I mean, how cool would it be to do something really special? Maybe a secret bar, you know, obviously I don't want anybody going up and down, but just it could be a really cool special feature that, again, you don't see everywhere. In this room, I assume there might have been a wall right here. You could do some really cool things, maybe a home office. I don't know if we need another sitting room, but a lot of nice light, awesome window with that same little balcony. But you see, almost every window or doorway has this motif that is very Spanish, very Italian, and it's cool that, I mean, it's all original. They really kind of use the same themes throughout the house, which, you know, again, brings a level of cohesion and character. Around every corner, there's something fun that you just didn't think about. Now we'll go to the master bedroom, or at least this is what I made this bedroom. Again, awesome door handle, you know, with that same motif. And it's kind of funny, these quirky little areas, but you know, it's what the house is like. The master bedroom is, you know, nothing special. It's not like in today's master bedroom suites where they take up half the house. But, you know, for this house, it is kind of a normal size, but there are those awesome aspects which, again, make it special. And looking out onto the courtyard is just such a cool feature to have. It's a Juliet balcony or a Romeo, something like that. You know, I've only slept here a few times, and just like in the mornings to get this, you do feel like you're on vacation when you're in the middle of Richmond. It's so cool to have so many parts of the house all sort of convene at this courtyard. I think that's something about those Italian Spanish houses that makes them so alluring to people. This part I did not see online, but probably could be another very amazing feature of this house. It literally opens out onto the roof, which is so cool. You know, why not make this usable space? I mean, it's just so cool. And you get this really cool sense of how grand it is, and you get to see a little bit of the terracotta roof because it's so tall. Sometimes you don't get to appreciate that fully. Again, I think it's just underutilized space that maybe at one time they did use, but I'm definitely gonna make this a focal point.